What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, man, thank you for tuning in. Yesterday, guys, I went on a little test hit on a closed road using my no prep skinny sauce. Left at 3,500. I think it was too aggressive. Not only that, but I did kind of rearrange some vacuum lines that I think were hindering me. With the previous, if you saw my last video, the no prep on the closed road last video, that data showed that I was only leaving at the most about 2 pounds off the line. So we need to get that up. So that's what the purpose of today is. We're gonna try to see if we can leave off on higher boost. I'm on 8 pounds total on the gates. No boost controller yet, which I actually was looking at some boost controller options today, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video, let's see if we can get off on higher boost, and I'm leaving on 3,300 RPMs. Yesterday I left at 35. Got around a little bit. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Diablito Speeds, I posted that little video. I felt right off the hit. I thought I could hold it in a little bit, kicked one more time, and that's when I finally let off. So I'm hoping better results today. Stick and go. I'm hoping, but we'll see. But first, I'm gonna get myself a little coffee. I need to be dialed in for this stuff, and yep, bring you guys along right here. Enjoy this video. Some straight black coffee, man, with a little bit of creamer. That way, you know, I just get what I need, man. Getting home, oh, you just a little baby, you just a little baby. What you been doing, baby dog? What you been doing, baby dog? Let's see what kind of stuff he's got into today. This is Torque's room right here. She ain't not that bad. You've been destroying your wrecks, huh? What's up, baby dog? You just got baby dog. Man, guys, I haven't turned her on. Been in it in a minute. When I went to go and test this past Sunday, since then, Sunday morning actually. So all Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, now it's Wednesday. So it's time to get her going, and let me update you of what's going on with her and where we're at with the Stang. All right, guys, so like I said, where am I at now? So on this video, you already saw a couple hits. One where I kind of lost it a bit because I left too high on the RPMs, to be quite honest with you, and on the two-step. So yeah, so I dialed it down to 33. The one back. Hey, there's Wayne. Wayne, oh. What you doing, man?
I'm here.
I was just telling him that second time I went, so the latest video you've seen is I launched this thing at 3,300 RPMs and couldn't get the greatest traction, but still overall was a good run. Lund said definitely an improvement to off the line like the last time. The issue was we're leaving about 2 pounds, which is pretty much almost, you know, not much. This time we left pretty hard, but since we left so hard, we couldn't get really control. So that leads us to the next thing, is that we got to worry about more prepping on the track, right on the closed road there. So that's where we're at now. Need to get to a prep surface, get another hit at 3,300 RPMs, see how she reacts. Hopefully get some good data lock center run, and then little by little we're fine tuning it so I could eventually get into some pretty decent competitive racing. And then this Friday I got a car show, guys, so that's gonna be coming up in the same video, man. So let me get to this thing. Let's see what I do to it today. All right, what's up, guys? So, man, real quick, just got done. Oh, not just got done. Well, I only did 2 passes with the Mustang. I kind of planning for next shot out there, which you'll see in the next video. I'm gonna get really more into prep, just because I need it now, and we'll go from there, man. But I'll bring you guys along. But where I'm at right now, man, I'm actually at a little car show, which is very local to my house. I'm trying to kind of start going on a little bit more car shows, get out there, get people to see the car and all that stuff. So at the end of this video here, I'm gonna just show you some cars, some pretty neat cars. There's a dope Bel Air I want to look at that's been LS swapped, so show you guys that. And other than that, man, yeah, let's enjoy these last couple minutes of these nice cars out here, man.